Want your website to rank higher and drive more traffic? As an SEO expert with over 10 years of experience optimizing websites, I'm here to share my top tips and tricks. First, structure your content properly with header tags. Each one for your main topics, each two for your subtopics, and so on. This establishes a clear hierarchy for search engines to understand your pages. Next, implement schema markup to enrich snippet reviews. For blog posts, use JSON LD schemas like news article. Promote your content socially to expand reach and build backlinks. Post value-driven content consistently. Focus on building high-quality, relevant backlinks from authority sites in your niche. This boosts credibility in Google size. Meta tags matter. Open graph for social shares, language tags for localization. Structure your metadata. Optimize your site speed by minimizing critical resources and prioritizing above the fold loading. Users want fast websites. And don't forget, SEO is ongoing. Stay focused on promotion and links. Even as your site grows, maintain that growth trajectory. Follow these best practices and you'll be on the road to higher rankings and organic growth.